Pioneer GM-DX975 Review. 2000 watt beast amp that'll rock your ride. Ever felt like your car audio setup just won't deliver? Like you're stuck with flat sound, weak bass, or messy wiring? It's frustrating when your tools hold you back, leaving you burned out from endless tweaks and wasted hours. That sinking feeling of wanting better sound, but not getting it? Yeah, that stops here, because you deserve powerful, clean audio that just works. When stress mounts, bad gear makes it worse. Instead of vibing with your playlist, you're battling distortion, blown speakers, and gear that overheats the moment you crank it. Burnout creeps in. Every drive becomes a missed opportunity for the sound experience you actually crave. That nagging thought, what if my system could finally keep up, sticks in your head. That's where the Pioneer GM-DX975 5-channel amplifier flips the script. With 2000 watts of Class D power, it delivers bone-shaking bass and crystal-clear highs in one compact unit. Imagine installing it under your seat and suddenly unlocking high-res audio that stretches up to 50,000 Hz. Gold-plated terminals keep connections pure, while its protection control system keeps everything cool and stable even in scorching summer drives. The flexible crossover and bass boost controls mean you're always in charge of your sound. One real-life moment: a driver thought his sub died, until he realized the amp's built-in protection saved it from a surge. From SUVs to sedans, it's the breakthrough upgrade that transforms frustration into full-throttle audio bliss. This isn't just more sound, it's a system-level transformation. Picture streamlined wiring with one compact amp running everything. Your front speakers, rear speakers, and subwoofer, all finely tuned with adjustable LPF and HPF filters. The result? Laser-sharp detail, chest-thumping bass, and a soundstage that feels alive. Experts rave. The GM-DX975 delivers exceptional efficiency without sacrificing quality. Influencers call it a game-changer for SUV installs, while analysts highlight its high-res certification as a must-have for audiophiles. Real users agree. Handles 4 speakers and a sub seamlessly, and installed under a seat with components and a JL sub. Clean, strong sound that impressed my installer. Others say it replaces 2 amps, saving space and hassle. Why do so many swear by it? Because it's reliable, powerful, and tuned for those who want more. Ready to feel the upgrade? This is your system's missing piece. Don't wait. This is your shot to grab the upgrade everyone's talking about. Stock moves fast, and once it's gone, you'll wish you acted sooner. Join thousands who've already ditched weak amps for the Pioneer GM-DX975 and never look back. Secure yours today, power your entire system with one sleek beast, and finally experience the drive you've been craving. Seize it. Own it. Turn every road into your concert stage.